So good morning all of you. So next continuation of cytokinins. So yesterday class we discussed discovery of cytokine. Okay. So continuation of discovery. One discovery is required. That is F. Skoog and Miller. Sorry, F. Skoog and his co-workers. F. Skoog and his co-workers means along with their scientist, remaining scientist. So that is F. Skoog and his co-workers. They both are also conduct the experiment. They were selected. One of the important part is taken. That is the internodal segment of tobacco. They were selected, which ones are? Internodal segment of tobacco. You know the internodal segment. For example, you take this is the stem of tobacco. Now this is node, this is node. You know the difference. Here this is a internode. So they take which one, sir? Internodal segment of tobacco stem. Tobacco stem. This can be grow on nutrient media. Nutrient media. This can be grow on nutrient media. For example, now this is nutrient media. This is a nutrient media. Nutrient media is nothing but this is mixture of essential. I mean, for example, macro elements, micro elements, amino acids, vitamins, they all are mixed. That is a nutrient. This is the which one, sir? Nutrient media. Nutrient media. On this media, which is, sir, they grow on nutrient media. Which one, sir? This is the segment of internodal. This is the segment of which one, sir? Internodal segment of tobacco. The internodal segment of tobacco was grown on a nutrient media. Finally, they observed formation of callus. Formation of callus. Formation of. So this is the which one, sir? Internodal segment of tobacco. The internodal segment of tobacco placed on nutrient media, then it is undergo, here you observe, this is the nutrient media, this is the nutrient media, here this is the which one, sir? Internodal segment of tobacco. This internodal segment of tobacco was obtained nutrients from the nutrient medium. This is the explant on the chewing. This explant is absorb the nutrients from which one, sir? Nutrient media. Then it is undergo start to division. Am I clear or not? It is start to division. That can produce a mass of cells. A number of cells are produced. This number of cells, this structure is known as which one, sir? This is callus. What is that, sir? Callus. A mass of cells. ఇది ఒక సెల్ అనుకున్నాం అంతే. దేని నుంచి తీసాం ఈ సెల్ ని? ఇంటర్నోడల్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ టొబాకో. దిస్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్ప్లాంట్. దీన్ని ఏమంటున్నాను సార్ నేను? ఎక్స్ప్లాంట్. సో దిస్ ఎక్స్ప్లాంట్ ఈస్ అప్టేక్ ద న్యూట్రియంట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద న్యూట్రియంట్ మీడియా, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అండర్గో స్టార్ట్ డివిజన్. It is continue, it is repeated divisions and produce more number of cells. More number of cells. These cells are furtherly means they are the undifferentiated cells, not differentiated. Here, a mass of undifferentiated cells is known as callus. Mass of means a group of undifferentiated cells, not differentiated. Differentiated is nothing but the cell is stopped to division. The cell is stopped to division. But here, undifferentiated mass of cells is known as callus. ఏం ఫామ్ అయింది సార్? ఫైనల్గా ఇక్కడ క్యాలస్ ఫామ్ అయింది. ఎందుకు ఫామ్ అయింది అనేది కూడా చెప్తాను. ఇంతవరకు నోట్ చేయి ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్లో నోట్ చేసుకో ఓకే ఆర్డర్లో నోట్ చేసుకో undifferentiated mass of cells. Okay. సార్ ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ క్యాలస్ ఫామ్ అయింది ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు డివిజన్ జరిగింది సార్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ అలా కనిపించట్లేదా ఓకేనా మరి ఇప్పుడు చూడండి this is explant the explant is undergo continuous divisions and repeated divisions and formation of the mass of undifferentiated cells this is known as callus దీని బ్రాకెట్ లో రాసుకున్నా mass of mass mass of undifferentiated cells so callus refers to ani biట్లు అడగొచ్చు చెప్పలేదు so కాబట్టి undifferentiated mass of cells is known as callus సార్ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు డివిజన్ జరిగింది మీరు చెప్పగలరా అంటే ఇన్ న్యూట్రియంట్ మీడియా ఏముంది సార్ అంటే ఎడిషన్ టు దిస్ న్యూట్రియంట్ మీడియా హియర్ విచ్ ఇస్ దేర్ మీన్స్ auxins plus which one sir cytokinins auxins plus cytokinins both are mixture present in a which one sir present in a which one nutrient media lo emundi sir auxin cytokinin not directly added the cytokinin this is in the form of that is vascular tissue what is that sir vascular tissue you know the vascular tissue like xylem and phloem and other one is yeast extract which one sir yeast extract you know the yeast is nothing but this is the single cellular fungi baker's yeast mostly this yeast is used in bakery for the making of different products so yeast extracts and very important one is coconut which one sir milk ఈ మూడిటిలో any one of the following is added to which one sir auxins plus any one of the following is added to which one sir auxin తో పాటు for example I added a coconut milk so within a nutrient media auxins plus coconut milk both are present in a coconut milk which is the you studied yesterday you studied one of the natural cytokines geotin what is there the geotin is responsible for cell division am I clear now ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ సెల్ డివైడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సెల్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయింది అంటే ఈ వీడియోలో ఏముంది సార్ ఆల్రెడీ ఈ మూడిట్లో నేను ఏదో ఒకటి యాడ్ చేశాను ఇక్కడ దీంట్లో ఏముంది సార్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద యాక్టివ్ సబ్స్టాన్స్ ఇస్ దేర్ దట్ యాక్టివ్ సబ్స్టాన్స్ ఇస్ అండర్గో ద యాక్టివిటీస్ సైటోకైనెసిస్ మీన్స్ అండర్గో సెల్ డివిజన్ అర్థమైందా లేదా ఇది సో ఈ వీడియోలో ఏం యాడ్ చేశాను సార్ ఆక్సిన్ ప్లస్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ in which any one of the following having a active substance is there that active substance is have the activity that is cytokinesis cell division జరిగేటటువంటి యాక్టివిటీ దీంట్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి this cell is undergo continuous repeated divisions and produce mass of cells that is అంటే ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని బట్టి ఏం అర్థం చేసుకున్నారు వీళ్ళు in a coconut milk or in a yeast extract or in a vascular tissue which is there the active substance that active substance has which one sir cytokinesis okay note it అది రాసుకోండి auxins plus cytokinin అని రాసి ఇవి మూడు రాయండి ఫస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్గా మూవ్ చేయండి, కంప్లీట్ చేసేద్దాం ఈరోజు. రేపటి నుంచి న్యూ చాప్టర్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ అక్కడ ఏం రాశారు మరి? ఇది రాసిన తర్వాత యాడెడ్ టు, ఇవన్నీ దేనికి యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం? యాడ్ టు న్యూట్రియంట్ మీడియా అని రాయండి. న్యూట్రియంట్ మీడియా. Next coming to synthesis. Where does cytokinins are synthesis means? They are mostly synthesis in which one, sir? Root apex. Where it is, sir? Root apex. You know, for example, this is root apex. This is shoot apex. So mostly the cytokinins are synthesis in where it is, sir? Root apex. Next, transport. The synthesis of cytokinins in root apex, they may be transport or they may be moved from root apex to shoot apex through xylem and vascular tissue. Kabatti controls. Cytokinins moves from root apex to shoot apex through vascular tissue. You know the vascular tissue means xylem and phloem. Next, occurrence. Note it. Cytokinins are present where rapid cell division occurs in a plant. Cytokinins are present where rapid cell division occurs in a plant. Cytokinins ఎక్కువ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి సార్ అంటే where rapid cell division is takes place. Where it is rapid cell division? Root apex. Not only this, the examples of this one is root apex, then young shoot buds. You know, apical bud and axillary buds. Then young fruits. So cytokinins ekkada ekku untayi sir? Where rapid cell division takes place. Here cytokinins are present. That is root apex, then young shoot buds and also young fruits. Ivanni kuda, this is the which one, sir? Occurrence. Next, coming to precursor. Which is the precursor for synthesis of cytokinin? మనం ఇంతకు ముందు కూడా చదువుకుంటూ వస్తున్నాం precursors. Note it, the precursor, that is AMP. AMP means adenosine monophosphate. Adenosine monophosphate. Adenosine monophosphate. Adenosine monophosphate. Then other one IPP means isopentenyl pyrophosphate. Isopentenyl pyrophosphate. వీటి నుంచి సింథసిస్ అయ్యేదే what is that sir? Cytokinin. So which is the precursors for cytokinin means AMP and IP. Okay, but ఇక్కడ ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ కూడా అడుగుతున్నాను. Cytokinin is the derivative of అని అడుగుతాడు. Cytokinin is the derivative of which one sir? Which one sir? Adenine. So cytokinin is the derivative of adenine. Cytokinin is the derivative of adenine. So this is an introduction about the cytokines. Next, coming to the 4 marks question, that is physiological functions. Physiological functions of cytokines. Okay, now, right. First one. Note it. So cytokinins are produced in leaves. Okay, cytokinins are produced leaves and chloroplast in leaves. Chloroplast in leaves. Cytokinins are produced leaves and chloroplast in leaves. Okay, next, another important point. Cytokinins stimulate lateral shoot growth. Lateral shoot growth. You know shoot. Lateral is nothing but sides. ఇలా పెరుగుతుంది కదా, దానికి కూడా రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఎవరు సార్? cytokines. So stimulate lateral shoot growth. For example, this is shoot అనుకో, ఈ షూట్ అనేది ఇలా పెరగడానికి lateral meristms కదా సార్ అని అడగలేదు. Lateral meristms are responsible for secondary growth. So cytokinins are helpful for synthesis of interfascicular KLA. Interfascicular KLA ఉంటేనే కదా secondary growth జరిగేది. For the formation of interfascicular KLA with the help of cytokinin. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్ లో రాసుకో, formation of interfascicular KLA. Formation of interfascicular KLA. Interfascicular KLA. Interfascicular KLA means, for example, this is one vascular bundle, this is another vascular bundle. Every vascular bundle has KLA. Every vascular bundle has KLA, but this is called intrafascicular KLA. ప్రతి vascular bundle లోపల ఉండేది intrafascicular. But between which is there sir? Between a KLA is there. This is known as which one sir? Interfascicular. So intra plus enter, both are combined formation of vascular cavity. That vascular cavity during secondary growth, it can produce outside secondary phloem, inside the secondary side. Am I clear? Next. Also, ఇది రాసుకున్నారా? నాకన్నా ఫాస్ట్గా ఉండాలి సార్, అయిపోయింది చెప్పండి అంటుంటారు. లేదు, ఆగుతూ ఉండకూడదు, మీరే ఫాస్ట్గా మూవ్ అవ్వాలి. అలాగని కల్లారేం లేదు, కొన్ని ఫాస్ట్గా మూవ్ అయితే సిలబస్ని ఒక 1 వీక్ మనం ముందు అవి మొదలు చేసుకోగలిగితే బెటర్. అందరూ డిసెంబర్ ఇంటికి క్లోజ్ చేస్తాము అంటున్నారు. అంటే మనకి అవ్వాలి కదా, కాబట్టి నేను ఉండేది ఒక్కడే కదా, అందుకు కాబట్టి కొద్దిగా ఒక బాగా ట్రీట్గా ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్, స్టిమ్యులేట్ adventitious shoot formation. Adventitious shoot formation. You know adventitious means sides na. ఇది షూట్ అనుకో, షూట్ కి ఏమొస్తాయి? సైడ్స్ వస్తాయి, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits. So the stimulate adventitious shoot formation. Next, another important point. Cytokinins are help in which one, sir? Cytokinesis. Cytokinins are helping cytokinesis. Cytokinesis means cell division. Okay. Next, cytokinins also help in cell enlargement. Cytokinins also help in cell enlargement. You know enlargement, better to tell. Yes. Next, very important, next one. Cytokinins overcome, very important, this is apical dominance. Cytokinins overcome apical dominance. Here my question is, which hormone is responsible for apical dominance? Auxins. Which one? Auxins are responsible for apical dominance. Sir, what is apical dominance, sir? This is the which bud, sir? This is the which bud? Apical bud or terminal bud. What is apical dominance? Apical dominance means apical bud inhibit the growth of which buds, sir? Very good. Which buds? They are the which buds, Nana? Lateral buds. Apical bud inhibit the growth of lateral buds. ఇది ఉంటే ఇది గ్రో అవ్వదు. Lateral buds are not grow. So the apical bud inhibit the growth of lateral buds. Means the apical bud show the dominance. That is known as apical dominance. This apical dominance is overcome by which hormone? Cytokinin. How it is possible? Means the cytokinin, you listen here, this is the cytokinin hormone, this is present in a plant. If the cytokinin hormone is present in a plant, this cytokinin is provide water and nutrients to which one, sir? Cytokinins are provided water and minerals to lateral buds. Ultimately lateral buds can be grow. ఇంకా ఆగు, గ్రోత్ ఆగు, వెళ్తూ. సో కాబట్టి దేన్ని ఓవర్కమ్ చేసింది సార్? ఓకే. సో ఆ బ్రాకెట్లో రాసుకోవాలి, డయాగ్రామ్ వేసుకుని అక్కడ రాసుకుంటే ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ప్రొవైడ్ వాటర్ అండ్ మినరల్స్. Provide water and minerals. Water and minerals. So apical dominance అంటే అవసరం లేదు కదా, కాస్తారా పక్కన లేకపోతే రాస్తారా అవసరం ఉంటే రాయండి లేదా ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది మన దగ్గర డేటా ఓకేనా రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ cytokinins helps delay leaf senescence. Leaf senescence. SENESCENC. Cytokinins delay leaf senescence. You know the senescence. Senescence is nothing but aging process. For example, you take a leaf. The leaf is undergo senescence in the sense loss of chlorophyll. Loss of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll loss అయిపోతుంది అంటే the cell become senescence. Aging అయిపోతుంది దాన్ని అందుకే fall off రెడీగా ఉంది రాలిపోవడం. But the cytokinins are present in a plant. The leaf is delay the which one sir? Leaf senescence. Leaf త్వరగా రాలిపోకుండా ఆపుతుంది. So delay leaf senescence by mobilization of nutrients. By mobilization of which one sir? Mobilization means transport movement. So delay leaf senescence by mobilization of nutrients. ఆ leaf కి nutrients ని ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి దే కెన్ ఇంటాక్ట్ విత్ ద ప్లాంట్తో అలాగే అంటిపెట్టుకొని ఉంటుంది అంటే ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉండదు కొన్ని రోజుల వరకు రాలిపోవడం డిలే ఉంటుంది అంతే బట్ రాలిపోవడం షూర్ ఓకేనా సో హియర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ హియర్ ద పాయింట్ నోట్ ఇట్ ద ఎబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ సైటోకైనిన్ ద ఎబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ cytokinin the ability of cytokinin to delay leaf senescence the ability of cytokinin to delay leaf senescence is called Richmond long effect. Richmond long effect. Richmond long effect. So the ability of cytokinin to delay the which one sir? Leaf senescence. This ability is known as which one? Richmond long effect. This is the name of a scientist that is Richmond long. Okay, right. Next coming to continuation. Other one, cytokinins helps in opening of stomach. Cytokinins help in opening of stomata. Opening of stomata, how the cytokinins are helping opening of stomata means by uptake of K plus ions into which one sir? Guard cells. Into guard cells. You know, study the mechanism. Say yes or no? In that mechanism, this is the guard cell. These are the which cells, sir? Subsidiary cells or epidermal cells. From the epidermal cells, the K plus ions entered into which one cell? Guard cells. So this uptake of K plus ions into guard cells with the help of cytokinins. Cytokinins అనేవి K plus ions ని guard cells లోకి తీసుకొస్తాయి. కాబట్టి ఏం ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది సార్? You know the further mechanism. Say sir. Then K plus ion entered. After that Cl minus entered. Finally KCl minus means that is the salt. increase the salt concentration in blood cell, then decrease the water potential. So water always moving from high water potential to low water potential. So water moving from subsidiary cell to blood cell, because here water potential is more, here water potential is less. The water moves from high water potential to low water potential. Right, Nana? This is about which one, sir? Next, another one is cytokinins help in morphogenesis. Morphogenesis is nothing but organ formation. Cytokinins help in morphogenesis. Morphogenesis means formation of organs. Here, along with auxins. అదొకటే కాదు నాన్న, దేంతో కలిసి. Yes. Okay. Right. ఎలా సార్ అది చూద్దాం. For example, you take the nutrient media. Within the nutrient media, here high auxin plus low cytokinin. Which one, sir? High auxin plus low cytokinin. This ratio is responsible for formation of which one, sir? Root. Which one? For example, Nana, this is the nutrient media. Within the nutrient media, what is that, sir? High auxin, low cytokinin. Formation of which one, sir? Formation of root. This is known as rhizogenesis. Rhiza means root, genesis means formation. The formation of root, okay, from the ratio of high auxin plus low cytokinin, that is called rhizogenesis. Next, opposite one, that is low auxin plus high cytokinin. Yes, this is responsible for formation of which one, sir? Shoot. You know, it is a shoot formation which is in it. This is the which one? Shoot. This is root, this is shoot. So formation of shoot is called as calogenesis. Calogenesis. C-A-U-L. Calogenesis.